A new Armory 3D tutorial. It's been a little while, so I'm going to jump in right now and we are going to make clouds, because previously we made water and I decided why not make clouds. So first thing we're going to do is actually set a sky texture for the world. So we go to the world tab here and we press on this little button and select the sky texture. Now here you have obviously the possibility to adjust the clouds. You can go into rendered preview mode so you can see what's going on. If you give it a second, and you can't actually see what's going on. Anyway, the point is you have to click on clouds here, and then you have a bunch of options that you can mess with. But if you actually go in and play this as is, we need to save the scene. Obviously, it's been a little while, and let's just save it over here and play this. You'll notice that the clouds don't work too well, and the reason for that is because we haven't told Armory to use them yet. We've told them how we want them to look, but we haven't told Armory to actually implement them yet. As you can see here, we have the basic sky. That's what it looks like, and yeah, it's pretty cool, but we want clouds. So what we're going to do is actually going to go down to the Armory render path. And as you can see here, it's set to desktop by default. So we can go click in the world tab, and just like the water, we're going to enable it by clicking clouds, because previously we configured them in the world tab and this actually displays them, because if you don't click that then it won't show up. And now you can finally use the world tab to actually configure how the clouds look, and you can implement wind as well. Let's set this to something like 3. Now if we play it again, set the view to something like this, and we can play it again, and you will notice that we actually have clouds this time. Here we go, we got some good looking clouds, and there are a bunch of things that are happening here. As you can see, it's not too good because they look a bit wavy, a bit fake, because it's like overlaying them. But we have wind, we have movement, and it's a good start. And obviously you have to mess around with the amount of steps and the height between the level of the two clouds, and all these things that you can mess around with. It's hard to explain because honestly it's all to taste on how you want them to work. But yeah, that's how you make clouds, and just mess around with these values to get a bunch of different looking clouds. So thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this and you learned how to do it. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment. Until the next time, please have a good day.